zooms in on a city filled with lights and rain. Hiro's inner voice narrates, "I knew this night would be unlike any other, but I didn't expect him to show up." Hiro appears in a dark alley, holding his glowing sword. A mysterious figure steps out from the shadows, the sound of his footsteps echoing in the space. The mysterious warrior declares, "At last, I found you! The sword you wield does not belong to you." Hiro raises the sword and replies, "It is more than just a sword. It is the key to our city's salvation." A fierce battle begins between them, swords clashing with bursts of energy illuminating the scene as sparks and flames erupt from the contact.